Yo, what's up guys? So today I'll be doing a video on one of the best flashlights I think you can get. It's called the Nebo Slide King 2K. Has 2000 lumens, and then it has a work light which is 500 lumens. It's waterproof, has a magnetic base, and it's rechargeable with USB-C. I actually had one of these. I was using it and I ended up just giving it to my friend, and I bought a new one today. Of course I opened it on the wrong side, but as you can see, it comes with one of these. So here's the flashlight. It's made out of aircraft aluminum. As you can see, has USB-C. And the work light, you slide it. If I can slide it with one hand, because it is kind of hard to open it with one hand. But it comes with the charger too. As you can see, it has a magnetic base. So Slide King 2K. There's the work light. And let me tell you guys, this thing is pretty bright. Now, to turn it on, I believe you gotta open the battery compartment. See if I can do this with one hand. As you can see, it has a rubber gasket, so that makes it waterproof. There's a remove sticker thing in there. Here's a battery. I got 4 of them. This battery will last 2 hours if you're using the 2000 lumens flashlight, or 4 hours if you're using the work light on high. So this thing's gonna be bright, and this is during the day. Like, it's pretty bright. I don't know if I blind my camera, but thing's pretty bright. Of course, you can zoom in and out by using this. I will test this, guys, at night for you guys. And you hold it down and it goes to low mode. And then when you open it, it automatically turns on the work light. But yeah, so I will come back when it's nighttime and we'll test this out. So I also forgot to mention that I bought this at Ford, Rich Ford in Albuquerque. They sell it, and it was $54.36. The last time I bought it, it was $45, so it went up. Online, it's about $54 too, so these ain't cheap. And they ain't cheap. They don't feel cheap. I mean, it's like, it feels like pretty nice, like high quality. So yeah, I'll be back when it's nighttime. Hey guys, so I'm back here a few days later and it's dark out. As you guys can see, it's almost dark out. Kind of dark out, but I'm in this kind of dark but a little bit lit alley. And I got the Nebo here. So I'm gonna focus the camera. So let's see what it can do. See how bright it is. So I don't know which way would be brighter, but looks like it's a little darker over there. But here it is. As you can see, damn, this thing really lights up the place. Honestly, how bright that is. So, damn, that thing's a pretty bright. I don't really want to piss off those neighbors over there, so that's the high mode, 2000 lumens, and now this is the low mode. I don't remember how much lumens the low mode has, but yeah. Now for the work light, all you do is you open it, and I stick it to my truck there. That's how bright it is. So that right there is 500 lumens. And it also has, well, let's put it on low mode. So low right there, I believe that's 300 lumens on low. And then it also has a red light, which is pretty bright. Like, check that out. Then it has the flashing from that. So if you need to change a tire on the side of the road with the work light, that thing's pretty bright, as y'all can see. I mean, pretty bright. As you can see, it's dark. Bam, 2000 lumens. How about that, huh? So anyway, I'm probably people are probably looking at me weird because I'm over here screwing around with a flashlight in an alley, which is kind of funny. But anyway, this video, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, help me out. As you can see, here's the flashlight again. Let me put that more out. But yeah. So if you're looking for a small spotlight, just check out how dark it is. I'll turn my light off there. Pretty dark. And that's 2000 lumens right there. So pretty bright. But again, you know, the Nebo flashlight. This is the front of it. Again, is 2000 lumens, and then the work light is 500 lumens. That's pretty good light. By far, I think it's the best light, and it lasts pretty long too. I mean, I think Nebo even gives you like a 1-year warranty. But anyway though, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.